the bezel.
That's awesome.
Beautiful bit of country. Well, g'day guys.
Good morning.
Here we are, the first ride for 2026.
Happy New Year.
We've been away for 15 days or so now, camping with the kids over Christmas, so this is the first ride for the year. We've had a pretty fantastic time away. We had a pretty good 2025, to be honest, on the bikes. We've all come out of our shell a little bit. The kids have come out and enjoyed the ride, so yeah, here we are. We're going to hopefully bigger and better for 2026. We've got so much booked in to do, or check out. So for the year, with a couple of trips to the mainland on the bikes already booked in. So I guess we'll just see. We've got a big bucket list to go through. Kids want to go through and do the ABCs of touring again, which is fantastic. Gets us out and about. Unfortunately, we couldn't do it today because we couldn't print the flyer off. But anyway, we're just kicking around today to see where we're going to end up. We've got a few places in mind. We'll just see how we feel when we get so far, and we'll check it out. Anyone got any big plans for 2026 of riding anywhere, or any big holidays? Leave a comment below and let us know. Anyone coming to Tassie or want to do a ride together, also comment and we'll get in touch and we'll see what we can do with our busy year ahead. You got anything to add, Caitlin?
No, I'm pretty excited for the year ahead. We do have lots of big things coming up, which is pretty cool. Kids are keen, so yeah, we'll just take it as it comes and enjoy the ride.
Just like to thank all our new subscribers. We've really boosted up in the last couple of weeks. It's really, we've probably doubled our subscribers in the matter of 2 or 3 weeks, so that's pretty fantastic. I guess our goal for the year, I'd love to really try and crack the 200 mark for the year. That'd be my 2026 goal. But anyway, it is what it is. We've had a really lot of real good people reach out and chat from all over the world. Like, it's just funny how it's just gone really wide. I'm really excited about what the future will bring with some of these people just reaching out and giving out some good information and, wanting to catch up.
The YouTube community is so supportive, and it's so nice to read some of the comments and just, hear good things about the content that we do put up, because we are pretty new to it all and not all that confident. But yeah, it's so comforting with the YouTube community so far. Am I good?
Yep. Yeah, so it's been great. Like I say, we've just had people from all over the world at the moment we've just been chatting to, and they're asking questions about here, and it's different weather there, obviously, where I'd give a few shout outs, but I'll have to do that next time because I've just got a memory blank for some of them. And anyway, it's all good. It's fantastic, and we really appreciate the support, the likes, the views, and we'll keep doing what we're doing. Obviously, we must be doing something right. If there's anything you guys want to see, reach out, let us know. If there's something in Tassie that we can assist anyone with, we'll try our hardest to do what we can to help. And as I say, if anyone comes over and wants to have a ride, let us know, and we'll try our best to try and catch up, and we'll do that.
stories we see. Laughter in the comms, jokes in our ears, teaching the girls how to face their fears. Scars on the mat, and bugs on the screen. Best days are the ones in between. Small town stops and coffee breaks. Every band's a chance we take. No fancy plan, just where we roam. Every ride feels more like home. We're riding taxi together, side by side. Wind in our faces, freedom alright. From coast to coast, through rain or shine, this family runs on fuel and time. Yeah, we're riding taxi together, wild and free. You're right. Just us, the road, and the stories we see. One day they'll grow, ride their own way, but they'll remember these.
Excited, Basil?
Yeah! What would I do with my drink?
You have to drink it, won't you?
Take it with you.
Okay. Oh, look, it's the dog! It's the dog!
Should wave to the people, Basil. Should wave to people, Basil. Hurry, Basil. Trains can do that, you know, Basil. What's that?
I never thought I'd be able to train that was across the road.
Oh, you are today. See, Basil's got to get back and walk now.
Already 10 minutes.
Doesn't go for long. It's just a nice little test to see how it goes and something different, isn't it?
I like the one in... How do I do it?
No, Coranda was very long train ride.
I know.
You just slept for most of it.
What do you reckon, Basil?
You're squishing me. Thank you.
Can I hold on your side? I mean that side. What do you reckon, Basil?
Good.
Good?
Pretty good. How do you go over there?
Don't know.
Where?
I don't know.
What
Is that the museum or not?
How are ya? Good. You running around as well or not?
Yeah.
Can we have a ride?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Are we too big?
Yep.
If that's all right.
Yeah.
Do we need to get a
Upside.
ticket for you, do we?
$3 each.
$3 each?
Yeah.
Righto.
Okay. As we go around, we keep our hands and feet inside the carriages. We do not try and stand up. We don't try and reach out and touch any trees or anything that's close by. We don't rock and roll on the carriage, okay?
All right.
It's only narrow gauge and we don't want it toppling on us, do we?
No, we don't.
And we go around twice.
All right. Thank you. Excited, Basil?
All clear.
That's a bit cute.
How was that, Basil? Good?
I need to go.
You gonna get stuck this time?
Hang on.
Hang on now.
Put that one back in there.
Hang on.
First. Then you won't trip over.
Thank you.
Twist your foot off. Thank you.
Thanks for the ride.
Come. Can I come for a ride?
What can we look at without a look at anything?
Model railway in there.
Yep.
Straight across there.
Yep.
That door.
And what's anything over there? Is that just your workshop?
That's the workshop.
Yep.
Yeah.
What about
That's
this one?
stuff
Look at
only.
In there, it's got the Harley traction engines and
Yep.
tractors, and
All right.
if you want to wander through and have a look, that's
All
fine.
right. Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll go this way around. Out of the way. Sheffield Model Railway, eh? Ooh.
Press me, Hannah. Press me. Watching? Up here.
What do you reckon, Basil? What do you reckon, Hannah?
Cool.
Cool?
And once you change it on that feet. Yeah, I think so.
Oh, you got that one running good.
Very cool.
Yeah, it's a little one.
Oh, look at that one. So long.
It's done. You just turn it off. Just carry it inside. Oh.
Trains everywhere. It's cool.
And there's the little one. That's awesome.
That's a neat.
How cool is that, girls?
Cool.
Cool.
That's pretty cool to see. Lots of effort in that.
Sure is. Oh, Basil, look at all the 10 sensors there for you.
You stooges. Little blue tractor. All road registered. And the old one's registered to go on the road. And this one? Even that one's registered to go on the road.
Pretty cool, isn't it? For law transport.
When does Christmas?
Yeah.
Big Fords and Major.
Here goes the big train again.
Well, that was our railway trip. It was unplanned. How
Yeah.
did everyone like it?
I like
I thought it was pretty cool.
What do you reckon, Basil? What was your favourite part?
Definitely not getting foot stuck.
Definitely not getting your foot stuck. Well, I wouldn't imagine that would be the best ideal.
And the best thing is the big train.
The big train. Right.
What about you, Hannah? What was your favourite?
The little train.
The little train? I thought the little train was pretty cool too. All right.
Okay.
Well, that was Sheffield's Heritage Railway. I think we had a great time, didn't we?
Yeah, that was really enjoyable.
I think it cost us $20 for a family for the big steam train, and that was about a 20-minute trip. And we did the little, it looked like a little electric train, I guess it was, on a little track. It was only $3 each, so it was worth doing both. We were there, might as well just do it. I don't think the big steam train runs all the time, but check out their Facebook page.
I think it's every day at the moment between a certain date in December until middle of January maybe. But yeah, if you want to check it out, jump on Facebook first to make sure it's running.
Yep, it was a good bit of a look around, a bit of history of the steam trains. We had a look inside of their, where they store them. I wouldn't say it was a museum, but they usually pull them out over, is it March long weekend? No, November long weekend I think it is, I'm not sure. They get them all outside and get them all running around.
And their model trains are really cool.
Yeah, so we had a little look at their little light railway inside. It was really cool, little models. Had a coffee and a drink while we were there. Moment, this is the bridle track. It links Sheffield to the Kimberley. It's quite a nice little twisty, good look around. Just got to love the smell of the trees. Beautiful bit of country. Day like today, I'm very happy that Caitlin brought me this Harley-Davidson air conditioning jacket for Christmas. It's very breathable. My back's not stuck to the backrest. It's actually quite nice, so Feels a bit funny on your skin, but it's a bit like fly screen. It looks like you can see straight through it when you haven't got it on. It won't be a very good Tasmania jacket probably, but for days like today, it's fantastic. I don't know how much protection it has. Reads up quite good. It just doesn't look like it's got it. But anyway, the
Currently sitting at 23 degrees, so it's quite a nice day for us.
Yeah, it's a bit warm for us for normal. The jacket's got padded shoulders and padded down the bottom of the back, and apparently the breathable stuff's some type of safety rating as well, but I don't know. It's quite nice anyway for today. Caitlin's got her fingerless gloves she got for Christmas. Hopefully they're going better for her.
Yeah, it's nice being able to touch stuff and nice and cool.
Yeah. I like having fingerless gloves. I get very hot fingers. Well guys, that's it from us today. We're headed to Sheffield via Meander and yeah, up through Paradise and yeah, back around to Sheffield. We had a quick look at we had a bit of a good look at the Heritage Railway there, and yeah, done our way back through the bridle track along the highway and back through the back of Bracknell home. Yeah, so anyway, we've had a cracker of a day. Kids had a good time. We've been trying to get the railway for a long time, so we've had a few failed attempts at going to Sheffield. So anyway, we've been now. It's great. We'll have to go back again one day. Anyway, remember, if you like what you see, subscribe to our channel, tell us what you think, and yeah, keep on commenting, and we'll keep doing what we're doing. Have a great day.
Bye.